How to create an account on Zangi app. Are you guys facing issues to create an account on Zangi app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now click on the register button. Once you click on register, now tap on continue. Again, click on continue. If you want to allow your contacts, then click on OK. Once you click on OK, now you need to write down your name so that people can recognize you. Once you write down your name, click on continue. Over here, you need to write down a strong password so that no one can steal your account. After you fill up the details, now click on continue. Now again tap on continue. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna create an account on Zangi app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.